How to fix phone no flood on Telegram. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the phone no flood issue on Telegram. If you're seeing this error when trying to add a contact or join a group, I've got you covered with easy solutions to solve it. So let's dive right in. Sometimes this issue happens due to a temporary restriction placed by Telegram. If you've been adding contacts or joining groups too quickly, just wait a while before trying again. Just wait for 24 to 48 hours to allow Telegram to lift the restriction automatically. After the waiting period, try adding the contact or joining the group again. To avoid hitting the phone no flood limit again, make sure you're not adding too many contacts or joining too many groups in a short period of time. If the issue persists and you need to continue using Telegram, you can try using a different phone. Go to Settings, tap on My Profile, and simply tap on Mobile and click on Change Number. Use a temporary or secondary phone number to verify your account on Telegram. And that's it, you've now learned how to fix the phone no flood issue on Telegram.